The CFPB issued an advisory warning against mortgage comparison sites, putting them on notice that their current business practices might be in violation of RESPA laws. So what is a mortgage comparison site, and how does this affect an individual LO? Well, we're going to answer both those questions and more in this video coming right up. Hey guys, Michael McAllister here with Empower LO. For the last couple of months, we've noticed a rapid, sharp decline in lead costs and per lead costs on Google for our Google Ads PPC clients. So this is specifically in the mortgage space that we've seen this. We only run Google Ads in the mortgage space, just for clarification. So for the last couple of months, we've seen a 30 to 40% decline in per lead cost for our clients. And so naturally, we've done a little bit of digging to see why this might be. Now, without going too much into detail, we have access to auction insights within our clients' Google Ads campaigns that can tell us who are our competitors within those specific markets. And so we've seen a rapid decline, not only in the per lead cost, as I mentioned, but in the number of competitors that we see across the country in Google ad campaigns. So what does this have to do with the CFPB guidance related to mortgage comparison sites? Maybe something, maybe nothing, but from my seat, it looks like this guidance has already come into effect and that we've seen a drop in lead costs for our clients as a result. So what is a mortgage comparison site? Well, if you've never seen one, let's take a look. On your screen, you'll see top10bestlenders.com, and this is powered by Free Rate Update. It even tells you underneath the URL there. So this says the 10 best refinance lenders as of February 10th, 2023, when we pulled this snapshot. Now, what I want to draw your attention to is the URL that gives the appearance of a disinterested third-party resource, right? A objective ranking system, and then to the rankings. Now, what objective ranking system can you think of as a loan officer that would place Quicken Loans and Rocket Mortgage, who are the same company, along with Magnolia Bank and Free Rate Update as the top 4 choices on an objective lender ranking system? You'd be hard pressed to find an objective ranking system that is going to give you these results, because it doesn't exist. And that's what the CFPB is saying with this recent guidance. The CFPB is saying, hey, we're not cool with that. We know that you're doing pay to play basically on these ranking systems. Now, what I want to know is why? Why now? Why is this being enforced now? Not that it doesn't benefit me and my clients, but who else does this benefit? Because in order for this to be on the radar of the CFPB, there has to be some sort of national lobbying effort or somebody in power that's raising their hand and saying, hey, we don't like this, take a look at this. And so to me, I think that this possibly could be benefiting Quicken Loans more than anybody. Now, this is just my own opinion, and an opinion that is not based in a ton of data here. But what I can say is if there is something going on that you can't understand, you typically can follow the money. So at the point that my clients' per lead costs are dropping 30 to 40%, and Quicken Loans and Rocket Mortgage are the #1 buyers from these ranking sites, affiliate sites anyways, I could see how Quicken Loans would just view this as them having to buy back market share that they shouldn't be giving up to these ranking sites in the first place. Again, just my opinion. I don't know exactly what this means, but I'm interested. I'm interested in following along and seeing like what other enforcement efforts come in the digital space. Obviously, that it potentially has the effect of affecting my clients, but at the end of the day, right now, this looks like nothing but a positive for my clients. So what do you think? Is there more to this than meets the eye? Is there more to this enforcement action that we should be paying attention to? Are you going to be following more closely going forward? Leave your comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you at the top.